This is my best friend. We do everything together.
She's lucky to have me.
He said, say something nice to me.
He's a lot older, so. That wasn't true. I moved quicker than you did.
His surgery was not that serious.
It was less than a week.
Being a past athlete in college, running track and hurdles, and always been really, really active, what I started noticing was waking up in pain at night. But what really, really made me want to go and do something different was we have our oldest daughter that was getting married. And I didn't want to limp around. I wanted to be able to wear my heels and look cute.
Playing football at Texas Tech, I realized that there was some pain with my knees, but I worked through it. I didn't have to get an operation. Like she said, our daughter was getting married, and then she wanted me to walk down the aisle, and you just don't want to miss those moments. And so that's when we made the decision to do it together.
And when Lewis came in, his main concern was really his hip. So we talked and looked through his x-rays and showed bone-on-bone wear in his right hip. And somewhere between the first and the second visit with him coming in, his wife, Cherie, came in. That's when she said, hey, doc, just FYI, I'm also having issues with my knee. So this is Cherie's right knee x-rays, and these are the x-rays that she initially saw me with, and these are from November 4th. And so that was really easy to pinpoint the source of her pain and discomfort.
So I had my surgery a week before Thanksgiving. He had his surgery the day before Thanksgiving. The operation was so good. When I got there, Dr. Maria was already there. He made us feel comfortable. His whole team made us feel comfortable.
And they were so professional. I remember seeing 3 nurses come in, they talked to him, and they really took care of him. The next thing I knew, I was back in the room again.
But when I came out, they already had me walking within the first day. It just went really quickly. And I'm gonna still do a shout out to our doctor, Dr. Marura, always down to earth. Methodist took really, really great care of us. And it's important, we tease each other, but I want him to be okay. I want us to spend as many years together as possible. So he's encouraging me to go back to Methodist, get the other knee done so we can travel and do all the things we wanna do.
When you get to this age, and I see why so many people at this age get anxious not to take the thing because they just don't understand. But you don't have a choice, because if I'm gonna keep up with those, that 15-month-old and 4-year-old. So there was no option. Probably wouldn't have done it if she hadn't got married and those kids hadn't came. So that's how important it is.
Quality of life is important, and our time is important.